In today's interconnected world, the terms cybersecurity and network security are often used interchangeably. While they are related, they represent distinct but interconnected domains within the broader realm of information security. Understanding the nuances of each is crucial for individuals and organizations seeking to establish a robust security posture. Cybersecurity, in essence, encompasses the protection of digital assets, including data, applications, and systems, from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It is a holistic approach that addresses threats emanating from various sources, including malicious actors, system vulnerabilities, and human error. Network security, as the name suggests, focuses specifically on safeguarding the integrity and availability of computer networks and their associated components. This includes hardware, software, and data transmitted across the network. Network security measures aim to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other malicious activities that could compromise the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of network resources. The distinction between cybersecurity and network security lies in their scope and objectives. Cybersecurity casts a wider net, encompassing all aspects of digital security, while network security focuses specifically on protecting the communication channels and infrastructure that enable digital interactions. To delve deeper into the distinction, imagine a fortress representing an organization's digital assets. Cybersecurity is akin to guarding the entire fortress, including its inhabitants, treasures, and defenses. It involves implementing measures to protect against a wide range of threats, from infiltrators attempting to breach the walls to saboteurs seeking to disrupt operations from within. Network security, in this analogy, is like patrolling the walls and monitoring the gates of the fortress. It focuses on securing the perimeter and preventing unauthorized entry. This includes implementing firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other measures to detect and block malicious traffic. The objectives of cybersecurity and network security are aligned but differ in their focus. Cybersecurity aims to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction, ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of digital assets, mitigate risks associated with cyber threats and vulnerabilities, maintain compliance with relevant regulations and standards. Network security, on the other hand, aims to prevent unauthorized access to network resources, protect the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the network, ensure the availability and reliability of network services, detect and respond to network security incidents effectively. While network security is a critical component of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy, it is not sufficient on its own. Cybersecurity encompasses a broader range of measures, including application security, protecting software applications from vulnerabilities and attacks; data security, safeguarding sensitive data at rest and in transit; identity and access management, controlling access to digital resources based on user roles and privileges; endpoint security, protecting individual devices such as computers, laptops, and mobile devices from threats; and security awareness training, educating users about cyber threats and best practices. To further illustrate the difference between cybersecurity and network security, let's consider some real-world examples. Imagine a scenario where a malicious actor gains access to an organization's email system through a phishing attack. They then use this access to spread malware to employees' computers, compromising sensitive data and potentially disrupting operations. This is a cybersecurity threat because it involves unauthorized access to digital assets and the potential for data theft and operational disruption. Now consider a scenario where an attacker launches a distributed denial of service, or DDoS, attack against an organization's website. This attack floods the website with traffic from multiple sources, overwhelming its servers and making it unavailable to legitimate users. This is a network security threat because it targets the organization's network infrastructure and disrupts its ability to provide services. These examples highlight the interconnected nature of cybersecurity and network security, as well as their distinct areas of focus. A successful cyber attack often relies on exploiting vulnerabilities in an organization's network security, while a network security incident can have far-reaching consequences for an organization's overall cybersecurity posture.